course of the previous sessions, we have been implementing the zero investment innovative idea of concept mapping to develop the concept map of the lesson How Many. Therefore, in this period, we will finish the concept map by explaining the concepts of subtraction, money, counting, and comparison. We will be doing so with the help of some fun activities to make it even more engaging. But before we start with any of the activities, let's ensure that we have the following items kept ready with us. We will need 100 1 rupee coins kept in a box. Now, let's begin the session by recapitulating the concepts of numbers between 1 and 100 with the help of a clapping game. For this, ask the students to take turns and read out the numbers between 1 and 100. Simultaneously, the students will clap the number of times corresponding to the number called out. For example, if a student calls out the number 1, they will clap once. Or if the number 2 is called out, they will clap twice, and so on. For large numbers such as 50 and above, a set of 10 claps can be repeated for the number of times corresponding to that number. For example, for the number 50, a set of 10 claps will be repeated 5 times. Now let's move on to the next interesting activity. Inform the students that they will be setting up a market to sell their sticks. Give them the following guidelines to set up the market. Instruct the students to sit in their groups in a single row with their sticks. The activity of buying and selling will help to develop values of cooperation and communication skills. Inform them that we are going to be the buyer. Also, inform them that the price of one stick will be 1 rupee. Proceed to buy a few sticks from each group. For example, let's buy 5 sticks from one group and pay them 5 rupees. Then probably buy 6 sticks from the next group and pay them 6 rupees, and so on. Once we've finished buying, initiate a discussion to introduce the concepts of subtraction, counting, and comparison. Begin by asking each group, how many sticks are there with you now? Give them time to respond after counting. Next, let's ask them, how many sticks did you have before? To which they may respond by saying 10. As they count and answer, it will lead to focused attention and better decision-making skills. Finally, ask them to tell us how many sticks they are short of compared to the initial count. Allow the students to respond after counting. Following this, ask them to draw the number of sticks that they have sold and the number of sticks they are left with. Also, ask them to write the number of coins that they've got. Isn't this an interesting way to teach the students the different concepts? Stay tuned for our next video, where we will proceed to complete the concept map. Before concluding, let's take a quick look at the concept map that we've created until now.